Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make lion's mane spawn. We'll cover a straightforward, easy method perfect for beginners. Creating your own spawn is a rewarding first step in mushroom cultivation, saving you money and giving you control over the process. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to prepare healthy, vigorous spawn ready for your next growing project. Let's get started on this exciting journey into mycology. Before we begin, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need about 1 pound of sterilized grain, like rye or millet, prepared in canning jars with modified lids for gas exchange. A pressure cooker is crucial for sterilization, ensuring a clean environment. Also, have a still air box or flow hood ready to minimize contamination. Finally, a 10 milliliter liquid culture syringe of lion's mane mycelium is vital for inoculation. Now for the exciting part, inoculation. First, ensure your still air box or flow hood is meticulously clean, wiped down with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Carefully sterilize the needle of your liquid culture syringe until it glows red, then let it cool for a few seconds. Inject approximately 2 to 3 milliliters of the lion's mane liquid culture into each sterilized grain jar. Work swiftly and precisely, replacing the lids immediately after inoculation to prevent airborne contaminants. After inoculation, it's time for incubation. Store your jars in a dark, quiet place where the temperature remains stable, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next 2 to 4 weeks, you'll see the beautiful white mycelium colonizing the grain. Gently shake the jars every few days to redistribute the grain and accelerate colonization. Once the entire jar is a solid white mass, your lion's mane grain spawn is fully colonized and ready for the next stage of your mushroom cultivation journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.